Hello everybody, how y'all doing? Hope y'all doing fine, I really do. Well, about the only thing we got today so far. It's kind of late, so we're probably not going to get anything else. But they put up a new Siren, and they're testing it. So let's hear how it sounds. Y'all want to?
Three, two, one, blast.
Well, I don't know about y'all, but that right there was about scary. And as high up as that thing was, everybody on the lake heard that and heard it for many miles down the road, especially with all those speakers. But anyway, that's pretty much what we got from the dam today. And I want to check one other thing. Well, pretty much this is the last photo we all saw, and there's nothing new as of yet. Let's check this one. Yeah, see, these are the photos that I showed you yesterday, and you pretty much see for yourself what's going on here. I mean, they tearing it up. They getting it done. Trying to get this all knocked back, knocked down, so no one gets hurt while they're working on this area. Well, there's been a lot of people walking around, carrying on, doing inspections and testing things and doing different things so they can rebuild this massive structure that's damaged in the way that it's damaged. And that's pretty much it. Yesterday over here on my YouTube channel, I put up this video. Oh wow, let's do something. That ain't right. That looks better. Wow. Still don't look good, but anyway. I put it this video pretty much explains to you why and how come I've been on YouTube for these years that I've been on since 2009. And I believe that. I've preached it since I've been on YouTube, and I continue to preach it. You can run a survey for yourself, folks, and most people in this country will tell you that we're a democracy, even fought for democracy, even though we are a republic. And that's a fact, folks. We are. We are a republic. We're not a democracy, folks. We never have been. We never will be. So let's kaboom it. Want to? I do. I hope you do. I was hoping that the video would have more than 722 views in 23 hours. Not because I was trying to do anything other than to wake people up to the fact that we are a republic, governed by law, not by a mob of people like democracy. Now, folks, I have to say something about this. I didn't want to. I tried not to say anything about it, but it gets worse. The photo that you see at the bottom left or bottom right corner is a disgusting photo for anyone to put up at any time. We all know that the government-backed ISIS program was cutting off people's heads. YouTube was allowing it to be put up to begin with, to start with, and claiming that it was 100% true and really happened. Now, this woman, Kathy Giffin, whatever, however you say her damn goofy ass name, but what you see her holding up is nothing more than ISIS. The same plot, the same scenario, and it's nothing more than a dummy's head like previous in most of the other ISIS videos. Committing a violent act. But we condemn ISIS for doing that worldwide, right? Even though that it started out as nothing more than an American corporation. Got caught, and Obama changed it from ISIS to ISIL. The same thing. And this woman, right here, in this particular video, is claiming that Trump and her family is trying to destroy her life. Really? You kidding me, woman? You should have thought about that long before you ever put it up. For being whoever, whatever you may think or want to be. But what you done on your own accord. What happens to you is your own fault. And that's a fact. You should have not stepped your foot in that ring and done anything in that manner. So you got what you deserve. I'm sorry to say. And you're very lucky, 100% lucky, that they haven't arrested you and put you in jail. Like Madonna and her bullshit. They should have arrested her as well. But she's not been arrested, and neither did you. And now you're back in the mainstream media, yet again, running your mouth, crying that they're trying to destroy your life. Well, what were you trying to do, dear? You was trying to destroy the president's career, was you not? But see, how many people out there really give a damn about what's really going on? That brings us back to everything that we've talked about just minutes ago about us being a republic and not a democracy. She likes democracy, and she probably gets out and screams, "Show me what democracy looks like," because she's part of it. I said what was on my mind about this, and that's pretty much all. I just needed to get it off my chest. Mainly because, in my personal opinion, anyone that threatens someone like that, a public figure, in that manner, in my opinion, they're considered a terrorist. We're considered terrorists for just making the videos correcting these people. But yet, she's not out of jail, or she's not in jail yet. Really? It's up to y'all, folks. Y'all can, join in with it, or maybe y'all like these kind of things. Maybe you like that scenario for these type of people to do it. I don't know. Maybe you don't. Maybe you do. But as long as I've been on this earth and been old enough to know right from wrong, I can tell you that this is wrong. Y'all know it's wrong. And y'all also know she's wrong. Or she's wrong. Or she's wrong. And this woman over here pumping her up is wrong as well. So folks, leave your comments in the below section. Tell me what you think. Because I think this is all crazy myself. Well, folks, we're back over here on talking about the Oroville Dam now. I had to get it off my chest, folks. I really did. I'm sorry. But we're looking at the Oroville Dam right now, and as you can see, that they just about got the spillway, the bottom section, what's left of concrete is just about gone now. And up higher up, on the broken part of the spillway, they've went all the way across and got most of that gone too, just about. They are really making a big dent into this, that's for sure. You can see over to the left over in here, right here, right here, and they're moving right along with it. Man, look what they done over here. That area is getting knocked down big time too. And it looks as if they got the crane, the concrete maker up here, and all the tanks installed, and a big old crane. The flats are... sorry folks, it's been a long day. They've really making some big deal here. And it sure does look a lot different, does it not, folks? This used to be all trees in here. They're all gone except for this little bitty patch. And the little patch up here at the top. And a little over there. But most of the rest of them are gone. A lot of this in here is gone as well. That spillway used to come... and that whole wall now is gone. And you can see for yourself where we were pointing there. All the holes that they're drilling right in here. And they're right here drilling. You can see the guy working the machine They're drilling holes, getting ready for another blast. But y'all see it for yourself, folks, what's going on, what they're doing. And you know, folks, if you want to help me out, I'd appreciate it by y'all subscribing to the channel. Whoop, wrong button. If y'all subscribe, there'll be a bell. And if you hit the check mark, put a check mark in it like that, then the bell's gonna light up like this. And then you should get my feed to your channel, hopefully. So with that, folks, from my cold dead hands, and I damn well mean it, let's do away with democracy, folks. Y'all have a good day now, you hear?
Hello everybody, how are y'all doing? I hope everybody's doing fine. This is why I do what I do. Because our land has been stolen and taken from us. Everyone has pledged this, saying, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We are not a democracy, folks. We are a republic. Straight up, no ifs, no ands, no buts. We're a republic. And if you believe that we are a democracy, this is why you have become a slave with all of your personal property and everything else that does not belong to you. From my cold dead hands, and I damn well mean it, abolish corporate government for you friends. Much love to y'all. Y'all have a wonderful day now, you hear?
Want to?
Three, two, one, blast.
On the road, especially with all those speakers. But anyway, that's pretty much what we got from the dam today. And I want to check one other thing. Well, pretty much this is the last photo we all saw, and there's nothing new as of yet. Let's check this one. Yeah, so these are the photos that I showed you yesterday. Hello everybody, how y'all doing? Hope y'all doing fine, I really do. Well, about the only thing we got today so far. It's kind of late, so we're probably not going to get anything else, but they put up a new Siren and they're testing it, so let's hear how it sounds today. And you pretty much see for yourself what's going on here. I mean, they tearing it up. They getting it done. Trying to get this all knocked back, knocked down, so you know no one gets hurt while they're working on this area. Well, there's been a lot of people walking around, carrying on, doing inspections and testing things and doing different things so they can rebuild this massive Well, I don't know about y'all, but that right there was about scary. And as high up as that thing was, everybody on the lake heard that and heard it for many miles down.